Hi, this is Sabiha Fatima and you're watching the program Know Your Constituency and Leaders. Here we are with constituency details of Ballari. Candidates from Ballari for the upcoming Karnataka elections are B. Nagendra from Indian National Congress and B. Sri Ramalu from Bharatiya Janata Party. In 2018, B. Nagendra of the Indian National Congress won the seat by defeating Sanna Parikappa of the Bharatiya Janata Party with a margin of 2,679 votes. Ballari Rural is a state assembly constituency in the central Karnataka region and is a part of the Ballari parliamentary constituency. According to 2018 assembly election results, there are a total of 2,14,975 voters in the constituency that include general voters, NRI voters and service voters. The approximate literacy rate is 67%. BJP won the seat in the 2008 assembly elections with a margin of 25,716 votes.